Deduplication changes the economics of using disk storage systems for backup, which are faster and more reliable than tape. And data deduplication makes remote replication far more cost-effective and efficient, enabling better and faster disaster recovery. The following are customer insights from IT professionals that have embraced the backup imperative.
The disk has helped out tremendously. Backing up to the data domain has allowed for faster backup. We've been able to have all of our backups finished within our allocated backup window. Recoveries have been a lot faster, so instead of having to spin up from tape and taking time to find the data, position the tape, and find the information and restore it, it goes right to it on disk and recovers in 5 minutes versus 45 minutes.
Data domain has been of great value to the city. With the ability to achieve higher compression ratios, we were able to extend our retention schedules. With achieving higher compression ratios, we were able to gain more disk space and retain more of the data for longer periods of time. The implementation of data domain has helped us in meeting recovery time objectives as set in our disaster preparedness plan. We were never able to achieve those objectives with tape solution.
We're averaging about 20 times dedupe rate at most of the regions, and at our DR sites we're getting better than that. We have multiple units at the DR sites, and we're getting up to 40 times on those.
When we first implemented the device, and after having it run for approximately 2 weeks, we noticed the compression was so extreme. Not only did our restore retention period go beyond our 14 days, and currently we're sitting at 42 days as of yesterday when I looked. So we were able to keep a lot quicker local storage to restore from. The amount of time to restore that device, because now that we're all virtualized, it's just a matter of restoring the VMDK file and representing it to Virtual Center and bringing up the device. We were looking at just the real value of being able to restore quickly and not waste our time in the case of a disaster and getting that data quickly.
Data domain has done several things. It's improved our efficiency for the backups themselves, not having to deal with the tapes, from both the cost of the tapes and just the hassle of moving tapes back and forth. The other thing it did is improved our efficiency for recovery times. We can recover files much faster moving from data domain than we could from tape.
The data domain system has eliminated the need for offsite storage fees for our organization. It's not leaving our facility and therefore remains more secure for us. We've also eliminated the cost of tapes. In addition, the data compression ratios have allowed us to back up more data and for longer retention periods. Over the past year, we had set up a co-location site in San Diego, and we now replicate our data between Mission Viejo and San Diego onto data domain systems using their application technology.
We've heard from a number of IT professionals, data domain customers that have realized the value of implementing disk-based backup with data dedupe. The changes enabled by disk-based backup with dedupe are substantial and quantifiable. These are not minor steps that are being discussed, but major leaps. The result is the modern data center, replacing the legacy tape backup model with a reliable, fluid, adaptable, transparent, fast, and technically advanced solution. For the modern virtual data center, disk-based backup with dedupe is an imperative, absolutely necessary and required. It is a cornerstone solution, something that is essential, that has been widely adopted, and is becoming pervasive.